Liu. You can call me Miss Liu or Liu 老师. Before we start today's lesson, how much do you know about China? Class can raise your hand if you know anything about China. Yeah, the logo is a dragon in China because we think dragon is yellow golden color, which means king, the highest power in China. And the dragon actually never exists in the reality, but Chinese people just worship and admire the dragon. And of course, Chinese food. What is this famous food in the picture? Dumpling. Yeah, there are a lot of different dumplings in China. Some are filled with meat, some are filled with vegetables, but all are very yummy. My favorite one is meat with 韭菜, a very special Chinese vegetables. Here we have a short video. This video is by BBC. It can give us a very general review of what is China. Due to the time limited, we only watched the first couple minutes.
The last hidden world, China. For centuries, travelers to China have told tales of magical landscapes and surprising creatures. Chinese civilization is the world's oldest, and today its largest, with well over 1 billion people. It's home to more than 50 distinct ethnic groups.
Okay, thank you for watching this video. Even though I only let you guys watch 40 seconds, but you still have a lot of information. China has the world's largest population and 56 different ethnic groups. Okay, we will move on. If you want to watch it, I can show you the link. You can watch it at home. I'm sorry that the subtitles are Spanish. Okay, here I put 2 words here. 中国. 中 in Chinese means center. 国 means country. 中国 together means China. And 国, we use it for a lot of country name. Like US, we say 美国. 美 means beautiful. And this is our textbook for this semester. You can see it's a red color. Students can purchase this book through this website, Amazon, and the price is okay. You can buy even $5 from 32 different links. Yeah. Let's continue. And if students want to purchase it in Chinese website, I would recommend another one named Taobao. Yeah. Usually Chinese people, they use this website to buy books because books here are very cheap. And if you want to change language, there is a way to change language. But you may use Google to search it. Like this. Yeah. So the second one can be English. Okay, let's continue. The first phrase I want to teach is 你好. 你好 means hello. And we will later explain what is this tone here. And here is a short introduction to each other. Student, I would like one person be the A, one person be the B. And what is this meaning? 我是刘晓. 刘晓 is my name, but in US people call me Xiao Liu. First, they use given name, then they use family name. But in Chinese, it's a different way. We first say, here Liu is my family name, then Xiao. 我是 means I am. I am 刘晓. 你呢? 你 means you. 你好, right? 呢 means what about? What about you or and you? 我是 Pablo. Another student introduced his name. 你好 Pablo. 你好刘晓. So now I would like students group into different small groups. Each group have 2 students. One is A, one is B, and practice by yourself. Okay, thank you for practicing. And in lesson 1, we also need to introduce 3 different people. These people, their names are listed here. First name is Lu Yuping. If now you cannot pronounce the tones, it is okay, because in the first lesson I just give a general introduction. And this is first tone. This is second tone. This is third tone. You can see tone. Third tone you need stop one time, then go up. This is fourth tone, like you are cutting something. 陆雨平 Read after me. 立波 宁娜 Very good. Okay, now we will illustrate everything represent what. The first one, N, I use it darker color, gray color. Also H. Here in Chinese, N named N. H means the named He. So we call it initial. And the yellow color, we call it finals. And this little head, we call it tones. And the next to it is Chinese characters. The tones always represent the pronunciation. The characters is how to write it. When you really in very high level Chinese, you only write the characters. Here is the tone. I used a picture to tell you guys. This is first tone. If we all say ah, ah is the first tone, higher. Second tone, ah. Third tone is ah, ah. You can see it's like you're driving the curves. Ah, ah is go down, like you're cutting something. Okay, the new initials, I put it here. What we just saw in the names. 波平你那陆李丽林好 The red color is our target phrases and words today. The darker color you just need to know, but that's not our main task in today's lesson. Finals. 啊那哦波一你立乌陆雨凹好 Okay, N, last one.